Namaste. My name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models to senior IT professionals in a very simple language. So, we have been talking about AI agents for some time now. So, can AI agents help you in customizing resume as per the job description? And can AI agents help you in preparation of that interview by suggesting interview questions? So in this video, we'll be precisely making an basically a multi AI agent system that will help you in customizing your resume as per the job description, as well as it will also suggest possible questions. So let's build this. So to start with, let's install the dependencies. We'll be using Crew AI framework for this. We all know Crew AI is a developer framework for creating AI agents. Then Crew AI tools. It helps us in accessing all the tools that for Crew AI framework. And then LangChain communities for accessing all third-party integrations that we do using LangChain. So we have installed these three libraries. Once we have that, now we'll import agents. Tasks are the things which we want agents to do, and crew when we assemble all the agents, right? So for that, we'll be using GPT 3.5 Turbo. I have added my OpenAI API key. You please use your own key. Do not use this because anyways I'll be deleting this key. You also have to use search engine key, which if you search SERP API key, you'll find, and you can add that. And so basically this will be one of the tools that we'll give to the agent, so that it can access search engine, right? So now these are the tools that we are: file read tool, scrap website tool, MDX search tool, and serve depth tool. So these are the tools that we are providing. And I have also provided my resume, like a basic resume in MD format. So how you can do that? Basically, this is the resume which I have for. You have to go and you have to do upload, and and you can upload a file. Please remember, you need to upload the file in .md format only. If your resume is in doc or in docx format, you need to first convert into .md format. So do that. Let's do that. So now it has read my file, and now let's start creating our agent. So the first agent is researcher. Okay, the role is tech job researcher. Make sure to do amazing analysis on job posting to help job applicants. So what is its backstory? As a job researcher, your progress is navigating and extracting critical information from job listings is unmatched. Your skills help pinpoint the necessary qualifications and skills out by employers, forming the foundation for effective application tailoring. So basically, this would be a job researcher, which will be based on the agent. Then the profiler, personal profiler for engineers. So now we are specifically saying that you are a profiler for engineers and do incredible research on job applicants to help them stand out in the job market. Okay. The third AI agent that will build is resume strategist, and fourth one will be our AI interview question. So now if you see the third one is resume strategist. Resume strategist for engineers find all the best ways to make a resume stand out in the job market. Okay, and the fourth one is interview preparer, engineering interview preparer. Create interview questions and talking points based on the resume and job requirements. Okay, so these are the four AI agents that we have created. Now let's create the tasks, right? So what is the task of the researcher? Analyze the job posting with the URL provided, right? So wherever the JD is, we'll provide the URL. It has to analyze the job listing to extract key skills, experiences, and qualifications required. Use the tools to gather content and identify and categorize the requirement. This is the task of the first. Second is for the profiler. Profiler has to do compile a detailed personal and professional profile using the GitHub URLs and personal write-up. Utilize tools to extract and synthesize information from these sources. So it will access GitHub. It will also have access to my professional profile. Based on that, it will create a personal and professional profile. Okay. The third one, now the task is of resume strategy. Using the profile and job requirements obtained from previous tasks, they tailor the resume to highlight the most relevant areas. Employ tools to adjust and enhance the resume content. So basically, this will create our resume as per the job requirement. We are asking it to prepare and enhance the requirement. Now, the fourth one is interview preparation task, where we are saying create a set of potential interview questions and talking points based on the tailored resume and job requirements. Whatever the job requirement, what could be the potential questions, what could be the probable questions that interviewer can ask, or you can face these questions in interview, it will suggest to. Now, let's create the crew. So in crew AI we have created all the agents. So we have combined all the agents: researcher, profiler, resume strategist, and our interview preparer. And the task we have created, right? So now we have created our crew. Now, so this is the job we have. So now let me show you the job. So this is the job we will be talking about. Let's see what job we have. So if you see, so we have this job of full stack engineer. Okay, so we are looking for a full stack engineer to produce scalable software solutions for our portfolio companies. What you will be doing, what you must bring: a proven experience as a full stack developer or similar role. Nice to have BSc in computer science, mathematics, or similar fields. Masters or PhD degree is a plus. Okay, characteristics: accountability, grit, scrappy, ownership orientation. So this is the complete JD which we have, which we are giving to our agents. Okay, and this is, and then I have given a personal write-up that Nikhilesh is an accomplished software engineer leader with 18 years of experience specializing in managing remote and in office teams, an expert in multiple programming languages. This is a small writer. Let me also add my GitHub account. Okay, so this is my GitHub account. Let me add my GitHub account as well. So now based on that, it should. So now I've given my GitHub profile. I've written a small personal info write up, and I've also given what JD it is. Now it should provide. Now we have given all the. So now if you see, it has started basically accessing my resume. It is accessing the job description, and now it will create this thing. It has accessed everything. It will take some time, and now it has done. So now if you see, we have got two files. Let me tell you. So this is what, first we have got tailored resume. Let me download that. So if you see, this is the resume which it has created, right? So Nikhilesh Tayal is an accomplished software engineer leader with 18 years of experience specializing in managing remote and in-office team. These are the skills, these are the projects that he has done, what are his interest areas, and the communication style. Based on the resume job description, it has created this thing. And then we have interview material. So let me download that as well. So now if you see, so now these are the probable questions that can come up in interview process. So if you see, what are the potential? Can you provide examples of your experience as a full stack developer and how it prepared you for leadership roles in the tech industry? That would be the one question. Can you discuss a project where you demonstrated your proficiency in managing remote and in office teams. What projects have you led? What that showcase your strong background in AI and data science. So basically, this is what we have got. If you want to see these things, you can see in markdown option here as well. So these are the probable question which AI agent has come up with. So this is it. We have created a multi AI agent system that can create a customized resume as per the job description that you provide specifically for engineers, and it can also provide probable interview questions that can come up in interview for that particular job description. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching it. And if you are a senior IT professional, you might consider following me or subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll keep coming up with videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.